Frustrated trying to turn your Phantom wallet crypto into actual cash? First, remember you can't directly withdraw from Phantom to your bank. It's a two-step process involving a crypto exchange. We'll use Coinbase for this example, but Binance or Kraken work similarly. Open your Phantom wallet and note the amount of SOL, or other SPL token, you want to withdraw. It's best to withdraw SOL for lower transfer fees. Now, open your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one and complete the verification process before you can withdraw to your bank. Go to Receive or Deposit Crypto on Coinbase and select Solana SOL. Coinbase will generate a SOL address. This is where you'll send your SOL from Phantom. Carefully copy the Solana address. Double check it. Sending to the wrong address means losing your funds. Back in Phantom, tap the send icon. Paste the Coinbase SOL address you just copied into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of SOL you want to send, then review the transaction details, including the network fees. Once you're certain everything is correct, tap Send to confirm the transaction. Head back to Coinbase and wait for the SOL to appear in your account. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once the SOL is in your Coinbase account, sell it for USD or your local currency. Finally, go to Withdraw and select your bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Your funds should arrive in your bank account within a few business days.